friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a very simple recipe, but the ingredients what I am going to use I'll collect from my kitchen garden. So for that you have to come with me to my kitchen garden. So let's go to the kitchen garden, collect the ingredients, then I'll start my cooking. This is my bathua plant which I grew from seeds. I shared that in another video. Yes, for today's recipe I'll collect bathua shak from my kitchen garden which I'm going to cook today. You can use bathua in different way. Today I'm going to prepare aloo bathua. I'll cook this spinach with potato. This is my today's collection from my kitchen garden, bathua shak. So I'm going to prepare one recipe. So let me go to the kitchen and start preparation. I will wash and chop this bathua now. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a karai. Here I took 2 cloves of garlic which I crushed. I'm going to use this. Now I'll add half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Fry it for a minute in medium heat. Here I took 1 medium sized potato which I cut in cubed shape. I'll add this now. Add salt as per your taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'll add 2 slitted green chilies. Mix everything and cover and cook for 3 to 4 minutes in medium to low heat. After 4 minutes, remove the lid and check whether the potato is half cooked or not. Now potatoes are half cooked. I'll add the chopped bathua spinach now. Here I chop this bathua shak in a big pieces. Mix the bathua shak with potato and cover and cook for another 5 to 6 minutes in low heat. After 6 minutes, remove the lid, check whether potatoes are cooked properly or not and the spinach as well. It's very easy and very simple recipe and doesn't take long time. So my aloo bathua is ready. It's very simple dish. To prepare this you need very less ingredients and it doesn't take time also. So that's all from me today. Thanks for watching. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all later in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.